If you've been searching for a practical way to learn coding in 2025 without getting stuck in endless tutorials, Scrimba might be exactly the platform you've been waiting for. Unlike traditional video courses, Scrimba uses an interactive code recording format where you can pause any lesson, click directly into the instructor's code, edit it, run it, and experiment in real time, all inside your browser. This makes learning feel more like hands-on practice rather than passive watching, and it's one of the biggest reasons Scrimba has become a leading platform for beginners and career changers. The structured paths, such as the front-end developer career path, combine short lessons, challenges, portfolio projects, community support, and mock interviews, giving learners a realistic roadmap toward employable skills. On the positive side, Scrimba's instructors are clear, the interface is friendly, and the ability to manipulate the code instantly keeps you engaged instead of overwhelmed. Many students also highlight the community Discord as a huge advantage because it makes staying motivated much easier. But Scrimba isn't perfect. Its catalog outside the main career paths can feel limited, and those expecting deep algorithmic or back-end specializations may need additional resources. Some learners also find the minimalistic UI too simple compared to full-featured coding environments. Still, compared with traditional video platforms, Scrimba offers a uniquely interactive learning experience that makes coding feel natural and beginner-friendly. My final verdict: Scrimba is one of the most effective and engaging platforms for new developers, especially if you learn best by doing rather than listening. If you want more honest reviews that help you choose smarter learning tools, make sure to subscribe.